Okay, let's take a look at problem number 26. They're giving us a scatter plot showing us the monthly high temperatures for Austin, Texas in degrees Fahrenheit over a 12-month period. Okay, so along the y-axis we have the temperatures, and along the y-axis, which you can't see, or x-axis is the month. Okay, so and it goes from month 1 to month 12, and also you can't see on the screen right now, but it wants us to find the first 9 months. Okay, so if you look at our scatter plot and look at our points here, we see that the first 9 months, it looks like it's you can see that it's linear. Okay, it has a positive correlation. So we're going to find out exactly what the best fit line is for those data points on those for those first 9 months. Okay, so let's go ahead and write these points. So it looks like on the y-axis they're going up by a value of 2 for each tick mark there. So let's go ahead and write our points. Okay, so our first point is month 1. So what that first point is month 1. So each dot is represented by a particular month. Okay, so the first one there is month 1. Okay, and its temperature, it corresponds with 90 degrees. Okay, so 90. Okay, let's do the next month. So we have month 2, and it looks like it goes with 99 degrees. Okay, so 99 degrees. Okay, and let's do month 3. Looks like it's going to be 98 degrees. So month 3, 98 degrees. Okay, and let's go ahead and do month 4, which looks like it goes back to 99 degrees. Okay, so month 5. So month 5 we have 104 degrees. Okay, and month 6. Month 6 looks like we have it's shot up there to 108 degrees, 108 degrees. Okay, month 6, which is June, gave us 108 degrees. And let's go up here and finish up our points. So month 7, we have 109. And then month 8. Month 8 we have 110. Okay, and then and the final month, month 9, looks like we have 112. So month 9 gave us 112. Okay, so let's go. So we're going to enter all these data points into our into the calculator. So we're going to use the list spreadsheet option on the calculator. So if you want to follow along, go ahead and jot these points down, okay, and pause the video, and then we're going to move over to the calculator application, the TI Inspire software here in a second. Okay, let's go ahead and click the home key, and we're going to create a new document. So select option 1 there, and no to save, don't save. Now we're going to go to lists and spreadsheets. All right, so now we're going to start by take column A. So double click in here A, and we're going to label that as X. Okay, double click on the B there at the very top. Put Y. All right, and then we're going to start entering our data values. Okay, so we're going to go 1 through 9 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's go back to the top, and we're going to put in our temperatures for those corresponding months. So we have 90 degrees, 99, 98, back to 99, 104, 108, and then 109, and then 110, and then 112, 112. Okay, so let's go back to, now let's move over to column C. Okay, and we need to get a clear column here. So we're going to use this. So go ahead and click Menu, Statistics, and then pick Stat Calculations. Oop, actually I picked the right one. Let's start over here. I clicked too quickly. So hit Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, and I went too quick again. Let's see. So Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculation, and it keeps going to. So you want to pick linear regression mx plus b. Okay, so in our x list we're going to select x here, and then in the y list we're going to set equal to y. Okay, so also notice our function here name. Okay, save regression equation to f1. Okay, so sometimes that can be useful. Okay, knowing what your function is, because it's going to save it off as a function that you can use in both the calculator page or a graphing page. So go ahead and click OK here. Okay, so it gave us the mx plus b form of a line. It has our slope as 2.53 repeating. Okay, 2.5333, and it has our y-intercept of 90.5. Okay, so let's go take a look at our answer choices. Also, we can go look down a little further, and you see down here we have the R variable. That's our correlation coefficient. So it's the closer it is to 1, the higher the correlation between the two variables. So we have 0.96. So that's a pretty high correlation. So let's go back to our answer options. Okay, so let's scroll down here. Okay, and we see our answer choices are negative 1.6. So we saw that our slope is positive, so we can go ahead and roll out answer choice F. Okay. So rule out answer choice F. Okay, and let's take a look at answer choice G. Okay, G does have a positive slope, but we saw, according to the regression analysis that we just saw, it has a 2.5 slope. Okay, so go ahead and roll out, and our y-intercept was 90. Okay, point something. So let's go ahead and roll out answer choice G. Okay, so answer choice H looks pretty close to what we got there for our slope and our y-intercept. So it looks like answer choice H is the best choice. And if we look at J, it has a negative slope, so we can definitely see that it's not a negative line. So let's go ahead and cross it out. It doesn't have a negative slope. So answer choice H is going to be the best choice on this one. Okay, so I hope that helps.